Welcome students. Today we are starting with the construction topic. Okay. So the very first thing I need to teach you is how to construct an angle of 60 degree. Okay. How to construct an angle of 60 degree with the help of the compass. Okay. So I have my compass over here. Okay. With the help of this compass, we'll be constructing the angle of 60 degree, please, all of you. So hope you all are excited with this, and it's very simple. So the best way to understand this lecture is be ready with your pencil, scale and a compass, please. You should have two pencils, one attached with the compass and other for drawing the lines, and a scale. Just because in the video the marks of the pencil will not be so clear, so that's the reason I'm using a pen within the compass, but it's strictly prohibited in examination. Any part of the construction, not even the labeling, the arrows, drawing of line or like this in the compass, nothing should be with the pen, everything should be with the pencil. So hope you are ready. First understand when I say pause the video and do it right now, then you will do it. Okay. And likewise we will proceed with the lecture. Okay. First I will do it, just observe it, then pause the video and then continue. Okay. To start with the topic, there is no question. I have not given you any question. Okay, draw this triangle or draw that triangle. How to construct an angle of 60 degree. Okay. So basically some sides will be given to you, or measurements of the triangle will be given to you. So randomly, students, okay, randomly I am taking any base over here, any measurement over here. Okay. You should always draw the lines on the ruled line. You always in your notebook have ruled lines. So always whenever you draw the first thing, the base of any triangle on which you have to mark the angle, you have to draw the line on the ruled line, not in between the gap of the two ruled lines. Okay. So I just took a randomly 5 centimeter. Okay. Now no measurements are given to me because I'm not showing you or constructing an actual triangle. I'm just helping out with how to draw the 60 degree. This is my motto of here. Okay. So let me call this. I have taken randomly as 5 centimeter over here. This is 5 centimeter. This is how we write the dimensions. Okay. Let this be called as point A and this be called as point B. Okay. So this is basically my point A, and let us suppose from point A I have to draw or construct an angle of 60 degree. What will I do, please? Pay attention, all of you over here. Now I have to make an angle of 60 degree at angle A. Okay. So now within the compass I'll take any random measurement. Okay. No need to check whether it's 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Just take any random measurement. Okay. I'll keep the nip of the compass over here at this point, at this darkened point. Okay, and see this how I draw. Okay, now students, what I have drawn with any random radius in the compass, I have drawn a semicircle. Okay, I have drawn a semicircle. Now without changing the measurement of the compass, be careful, without changing the measurement, with whatever radius you have drawn this, any random measurement like this, if precisely if somebody asks me, it would be between 1.5 to 2 centimeter. Okay, even if more you do, the answer will be correct. It's like that. Okay, I have drawn this. Now without changing the measurement, I'll keep the pointer of my compass over here at this point. Please see this. Hope you can see it very clearly. I have zoomed it. I'm keeping the pointer at this point. Okay. Now an arc over here without changing the dimensions. Now keeping the pointer at this point where previously I had cut an arc. Keeping the pointer over here, an arc over here. Okay. You know, students, actually what we did. Okay, just for your understanding, you don't have to do this, what I am doing right now. For your understanding, I am extending this line. For your understanding, you will not do whenever such type of sums are there. Just for your understanding, with dotted line. Dotted line means actually ये line है नहीं. just for understanding purpose I have drawn this. See, एक property है, it's a property that always a semicircle, means it's a half circle, it's not a full circle, is always of degree 180 degree. Okay, total half circle is always of 180 degree. What I did, I made 3 parts. First I made a semicircle, so it was 180 degree. Okay, then I cut 3 strokes over here, 1 2, basically 2 strokes, 1 stroke and 2 stroke. By cutting 2 strokes I made 3 parts equal 1 2 3. So 180 divided by 3, do it now, 180 divided by 3, 1 2 3, it becomes 60 60 60. It's very obvious, 180 को divide करेंगे 3 से, 3 1 3, 6 and 0, 60 degree. So that's it. So that means we got a 60 degree. Now the first one is 60 degree, right? So now I'll be connecting this. So with this point I'll connect this point A. Okay, I'll connect this point A. These 2 points should meet each other. Okay, it's compulsory that whenever you draw such things, the arrowheads are compulsory. Okay, students, and this measurement, students, see this please. I'll mark with some other color. This is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Okay, just for your knowledge, if you join this point A and this point, then this will be 120 degree, because this is 60, this is again 60, and this is again 60, because totally it was 180, right? But 120 is not there right now in our current syllabus. Okay, so I just wanted to explain you how to draw the 60 degree. If you join this, then this total becomes 120 degree. It will be an obtuse angle. So this is how we draw an angle of 60 degree, please. Okay, so right now I want you all just to make this angle, please, all of you. So pause the video please and do it very quickly, fast. Now let's see, students, the first question in front of you. Okay, I'm reading the question. It's given to me that construct a triangle ABC. Okay, construct a triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 7 centimeter, BC is equal to 5 centimeter, and angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. First of all, listen very carefully. It's the first question. It's compulsory for you all to draw a rough diagram whenever certain parameters are given. It's compulsory for you. Okay, so it's a triangle ABC. Rough diagram. Rough diagram means, of course, you have to use scale. With the scale means you have to use this ruler. Okay, but not accurately 7 centimeter. Okay, so very quickly, I'll draw a rough diagram over here. Okay, now always pay attention that whatever angle is given, it should always be taken at the base. This is called as the base of any triangle, the downwards, this side. Okay, so here I can see angle ABC is 60 degree. Basically in middle I have angle B. So angle B is 60 degree. So here if I say this is B, so this is 60 degree given to me. First mark the angle always. Okay, so you can also take B over here, but preferably I take over here. So this becomes triangle ABC. Okay, this is 60 degree. Now see this, AB is 7. So this AB is 7 centimeter. Okay, and BC, this base BC is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter, please. It's a base. That's it. We have to construct this. Okay, what's the first thing you will do? First thing we'll construct is the base, 5 centimeter. Okay, so base 5 centimeter I am constructing on the ruled line. You must be having ruled lines in your notebook. So don't draw between 2 ruled lines. Draw exactly on the ruled lines, please, all of you. Okay, so now this 5 centimeter I am constructing. Base is 5 centimeter, which I'll be calling it as BC. Okay. You should not do anything, not even rough work, not even anything in the fair figure with the pen. Everything should be with the pencil compulsorily, but because it will be not a clear video, that's the reason I'm drawing with the pen. This is B, this is C, right? And 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter, this is how we write. Okay, this is 5 centimeter. Now listen very carefully. Now if you see the figure, everything is this, you have to always write like this. It's a rough figure. Rough figure. Just for the namesake, it's a rough figure, but you have to do it in your examination. You should not do it in the rough paper. In the main paper, you have to do it. See here. Then I can see that angle B, on angle B, I have 60 degree. After drawing base BC 5 centimeter, always name it. then angle B is 60 degree. So now I just explained you how to draw the 60 degree. What will you all do? Okay, let me zoom a little bit. All of you, okay. Okay, now what you all will be doing for making an angle B? See here, please. You will take any random measurement in the compass, okay? Because you want to make angle B as 60 degree, so I'll keep my pointer of the compass at point B, okay? And I'll make a semicircle here. Because it's a pen, so it's not that much smooth. Okay, like this. Now, very important, without changing the dimension, without changing the radius of this compass, keeping at this point, I'll mark a stroke over here. Okay, and this is 60 degree. If I cut another stroke, that it will become 120 degree, but I'm interested in 60 degree. So this will be 60 degree. Okay, so now is the time to join. So now what I'll be doing it, this point and this point, I'll draw a straight line. See, this is the point. Okay, you can highlight it. See this, please. Okay, and randomly I have drawn this. Please. Okay, without any measurement. I cannot take the measurement. See here, students, very important point. Very important. Here I know it's 7 centimeter, but I will not take like this 7 centimeter. It's not allowed. Just randomly a straight line and mark an arrowhead. If you don't mark this arrowhead, your marks will be deducted. 1 mark will be deducted if you don't draw this arrowhead. Now I want this BA. See this, BA as 7 centimeter. So what should I do? Within my compass, I'll take the dimension of 7 centimeter with the help of the scale. Okay, so I'll keep my scale over here and see this. I'll adjust it in such a manner that it's 7 centimeter, please. Okay. 1 second, please. Okay, this is exactly 7 centimeter now. Now in my compass, I took 7 centimeter. I cannot directly measure over here, please. Okay, so keeping at point B, I'll mark an arc over here. Okay, and from B to A, it's 7 centimeter. This point will be A. So now I will mark this point, students. This point, what I got as A. Okay, and now AC, the measurement is not given, and we just have to join it because point A we have and point C also we have. So I'll just connect this point now. Connect these 2 points A and C. That's it, students. Done. And very important, don't forget to write the dimensions, please. This BA was 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter. If you don't write the dimension, your marks will be deducted. Okay. And as I told you, when we drew this angle B, uske baad mein, this was 7 centimeter. So you should not do like this, that just keep your 7 and mark it with the pencil. No, it's not allowed. You have to mark an arc. Everything should be done with the help of this compass, please, all of you. Okay. So that's it, students. Triangle ABC. We form this triangle ABC. Okay, I forgot to write a very important thing. This is 60 degree, right? This is 60 degree. That's it, students. Pause the video, please. Do it very neatly. And always, whenever you draw this base BC, try to make not at the center of the page. Try to make it at little bit near the bottom of the page. Because if you draw the center of the page, it might be the case that the diagram's height is big, so it might collide with the header or the question. So if this is your page, so try to draw this BC a little bit near to the bottom of the page so that you have the open space for the diagram. And don't forget, this is compulsory, please. Pause the video, please, and do it fast. Students, now the next question. Pay attention, please. It's a slightly different question. Pay attention, please. Construct a triangle PQR such that QR is 7 centimeter, angle PQR is 60 degree, and another angle PRQ is 60 degree. Two angles are given. So the basic thing first is drawing the rough diagram. Okay, so first I'll draw the rough diagram very quickly. Rough diagram means it's without the measurement, it's just a guide for us. It's like a map for us. Okay, now pay attention. Always angles should be placed at the base. This is the base of my triangle, right? So before naming it, PQR, so in the center I have Q. That means angle Q is 60 degree. So I'll mark this as Q and write this as 60 degree. Okay, Then angle PRQ, that means in center I have R. That means angle R is 60 degree. So I'll mark this as R, okay, and this is as 60 degree, please. So this is Q, this is R. So what's remaining? Only P is remaining. So angle triangle PQR. Angle PQR 60 degree, angle PRQ 60 degree. Okay, and QR, this QR is given to me as 7 centimeter, please. Okay, QR is given to me as 7 centimeter. So what will be the very first thing? Just to draw the base. Okay, and what's the excitement over in this question? That we have two angles. Okay, it's completely fine. Okay, that's the reason here there is no dimension given for PQ and PR. Okay, first thing is to draw this base QR. Okay, so at the ruled lines, on the ruled line, not between the two ruled lines, you will draw this base as a QR as 7 centimeter. Okay, let me darken this point. This is Q, this is R, this is 7 centimeter. Okay, ये हो गया. Now from point Q 60 degree चाहिए and also from point R 60 degree चाहिए. So let's do it very quickly. साथ में बनाएंगे. Let's have fun with this. Any random radius, any random radius. ठीक है. Approximately, if somebody has that much doubt कि कितना लेना है, तो as I told you first only 1.5 से 2 के बीच में, between 1.5 and 2 centimeter. Okay. Now even if you keep 2 more. 1.5 will be small little bit, keep it 2 if you want, it would be easier for you. Okay, keeping at point Q, because I want angle 60 degree at point Q, keeping at point Q, I'll draw a semicircle. Okay, but I also want point R पे 60 degree, right? So keeping at point R also, I'll mark a semicircle. We'll do it together. Okay. This is the case. Fine. Now, listen very carefully. 60 degree I want at Q. So the point where, let me zoom it a little bit. Okay. The point where this arc cuts this base QR, at here I will keep and I'll mark an arc over here. And same, the point where this arc cuts my base QR over here, I'll mark an arc over here. See, don't change the dimension of the don't change the radius of this compass. Okay, that's it, students. So now what I will do, okay, see this please. Now I'll highlight this point. Okay. Now I'll connect these 2 points. Okay. I don't have the measurements of PQ and this PR. Be careful about it. But I don't want also. See this. I'll just draw a big ray like this. I'll mark an arrow over here. Okay. Similarly, I'll connect these 2 points, R and this angle. Okay. This is point Q, this is point R. So this has to be point P. Okay, great, amazing. Don't forget that this is 60 degree, do write it. This is 60 degree, do write it please. QR already mentioned. Don't forget to draw these arrowheads please. That's it, students, that's it. Pause the video please and do it very fast. Once again I repeat, notebook के अंदर draw this base QR near to the bottom of the page, so that you have the entire page available, because diagram will go vertically above. Pause the video please and do it fast.